Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to increase dedicated video memory or VRAM on Windows 10 or 11. So the first thing that you'll need to do is navigate to your search bar and then search for your settings. So you'll then just have to click on it and then navigate to your display. That's right. And then navigate to the bottom until you see the advanced display option. So just click on it and then click on the display adapter properties for display one. So we'll just have to click on that. Here you will be able to see the dedicated video memory. So you can see it's 512 MB. So in order to increase that is we are going to use our BIOS key, okay, to navigate into the BIOS settings. So in order to do that, okay, you can use this BIOS keys. Okay, it will depends on the brand of your PC or laptop. And then right after that, your laptop will be restored. So you just have to wait until you see this. Now click on the advanced mode. Okay, that one. And then click on the advanced option until you see the UMA frame buffer size and then click on the auto option. So after clicking on the auto, we could be able to see these choices. So we are going to choose the 4 gigabytes for the dedicated video RAM. Okay, so when we go back and checked our settings to check the dedicated video memory, so let's just go back to our display and then click on the advanced display and then click on the display adapter properties. And here you could be able to see that the dedicated video memory has changed. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.